Hey guys, so I am just coming in real quick to tell you guys that I did not finish the video. I did not come back at the end to show you guys how my hair looked after I finished my retightening. It's about a week later, a week and a half later. So this is how my hair is actually looking. It's still looking pretty good. It's only a week in, but because I did not finish the video, I just wanted to give you guys kind of a glimpse of what my hair is looking like after I have done a retight, even though it's not so fresh. Because I don't know, the week and a day got ahead of me, and yeah, so stay tuned to the next clip of you guys seeing how I retighten my hair, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. This is pretty much what I have left. Actually, some of this is actually already done, but we'll go through that. So as you guys can see, what I'm using is these little clips. I guess you call these the smaller duck clips or whatever you use, I don't know. I do have a locking tool. This is actually quite large in length. I need a smaller one, but I'm using that, and I'm using my trusty crochet hook. So that's what I'm using. I already have this part parted off because this is all done. So I'm trying to figure out which one I want to do. So I'm going to do this one here, which means I'm going to take the rest of this and pin it back and out of the way. So I do want to check around and feel around just to make sure I don't feel any hairs that might intertwine with it while I'm interlocking, and I do. So I'm going to get that out the way. Okay, yeah, all done. So what I initially do is I take it, I do twist it, because I want all the hairs to be pulled into the lock while I am doing my interlock. I take my tool, get that in there. So here's how that looks. I suggest a smaller one if you have locks my size, but I'll get a smaller one soon. So the first rotation I do is, because I do like my locks to go to the side. So the first rotation is to the back, and I just pull it through the middle, pull up, and I pull it through. My second rotation, I'm going from the side, which is upward, and then I put it through the middle, pull up, and pull it down. And I just do that repeatedly. So just repeating that same step, I just pull up, actually. So I'm holding this right here just because I want to make sure that all the hairs are there. So that's why I'm holding it taut. And I just keep going. All right, so this is gonna be my last rotation, and my last rotation is going to be downward. Because again, I like my hair on this side to lay this way as well. So that's my last rotation. I probably could do another one, but I don't want my hair to be hurting at night. So I palm roll it, and then I clip it downward. All right, guys, so I realized looking at much of that clip that my hand was really in the way. And it's kind of hard to not have my hand in the way because I'm trying to make sure I get all of the hairs around the perimeter of that one lock. But I'm going to try to show you guys it without my hand being completely in the way. So we'll see how this goes. So we are going to do another one, and let's see. So here's how much is left, and we're going to do this one here. So pulling this all back. So here's the lock that I'm going to be interlocking. And I'm going to again roll it to make sure I'm getting all the hairs around. And I actually want to use the clip down here to make sure all of this down here is secure. There we go. Okay, so here's the lock I am going to show you guys. So again, using my tool, I'm going to put this through here. Go. And again, first I do is put it through. Now I am going to have to touch that, so I hope you guys can see. Pull that through the middle, pull up, push through, and that's my first one. Next one, I go this way, so pull up, I try to go through the middle here, and then I go down. Again, from the side, trying to go through the middle. Okay, that's through the middle, pull through, and then I go down. I'm really hoping my hand is not so much in the way. Going down, pulling through. Okay, I hope you guys can see that. So I'm just gonna do that again. I know I have to go to the side for my next rotation. So again, to the side, through, going down, pull up and down, to the side, down, and through. And my last rotation will be going down to the side. And here's that lock right there. And again, I palm roll it. And then, as you guys can see, this one is, I don't know if you guys can tell, but this one is actually a little bit larger than the last one. So, again, I'll put that away. Twist it a little bit. Then I put it through, it's like that. I grip it, and again I start the same rotation. Last one. Actually, I'm gonna do one more. I'm going to do one more. Done. And then I palm roll and clip it down. So that's how I do my 2-point rotation. I don't have that much left. Yeah. I don't have that much left, and some of these are already done. Like these two are done right here, and this one is done. That one is done. Some of those are also done, but yeah, so I'm gonna put those down as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my hair, and then I'll come back once my entire hair is done.